Okay, so I'd like to do number 1C on the Chapter 6 Mastery, which says that I should factor out the GCF, which is the biggest thing that divides into everything, right? Okay, so I'm looking at 3x times the quantity 7x minus 2 plus 4 times the quantity 7x minus 2. What's common between these?
7x minus 2.
Oh, that's cool, right? We see that there's a 7x minus 2 in both pieces. Okay, so let me factor a 7x minus 2, right? What am I left with?
3x plus 4.
Oh. Cool. That seemed easy somehow, right? But it was hard when you were probably looking at it, right?
Yeah.
One trick for these, if you're having a little bit of trouble dealing with this 7x minus 2, right? It's common in both things. Let's just rethink about this as 3x times, I don't know, maybe a y plus 4 times y, right? This is really me thinking 7x minus 2 is y, right? Now when I see this guy, on this guy I can pretty easily factor a y out, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this thing is y times 3x plus 4, right? And then what was y?
7x minus 2.
Y was that 7x minus 2. So sometimes if you've got something kind of big, nasty, and complicated that you're trying to factor out, if it's in everything, just call it something else and then factor that out and then put it back. What's that?
Just remember to put it back.
Yeah, just remember to put it back. Cool? It is easy to lose something if you make one of these substitutions. You'll end up with a variable that wasn't in the problem. Often it's a good idea to go look at the problem when you're done, reread it, and say, did I answer the question they asked me?
How come the 7x minus 2 didn't end up squared?
It didn't end up squared because when I multiply this in, right, I'll have to distribute it in. There'll be 2 of them. Right? These two things with a 7x minus 2 are added together. If they were multiplied, then there'd be a 7x minus 2 squared.
Okay.
Right? Cool? Questions on this? This is maybe the trickiest of the kind of factoring things I expect you guys to be good at this point.